this is what we're faced with. These are the Girling front calipers, which may or may not need replacing. It might be cheaper to just buy some refurbished ones. When I first took that wheel off, in my eyes I saw this as a lot bigger, so hopefully that's going to be okay. Corrosion under there. Springs are relatively good, but yeah, just gonna tidy this up. Obviously new drop links, discs, pads, whatever hoses are necessary. I'm assuming that should probably be attached to something. I don't know, I'm not a brakes person. This is what my dad's going to be doing. Let's have a go. As for today's job, degreaser, rust repair, rust remover, brake cleaner. Not that the brake cleaner is going to do much right now, but we've got it. A little bit of de-rusting. Not that it's having much effect, but it's looking tidier than it was. So that's all de-rusted as best possible. I have got a part number off the caliper, but to be honest, I don't think I'll necessarily need new calipers, just a kit 0 brake. Guess this is what this is. I'm told that this is a sensor to tell me when the brake pads are worn. I can't get a number. There was a number under there of the shock absorber, but I have been given some numbers by the French Car Forum, but they're very difficult to find because they're like the original part numbers, and I cannot find that. Doesn't matter so much at the moment, but it's looking a lot better than it was. I will put some rust converter on the non-moving parts, on these larger parts as well, but at least that's cleaner for somebody to work on.